back to my channel. It's your girl Tiana, and I'm back with another I'm back with another video. And today is another hair video. Like I said, I was gonna be doing those more. Yes, sir. And y'all see my hair is looking stupid, but I'm about to get cute. And we finna do 2 buns. I'm gonna do 2 low buns. She gonna do 2 high buns just in case y'all wanna see high and low. I'm gonna do a side part. I already got my part. I don't know if it's straight, but we gonna you gonna need some Eco Gel.
I use Extreme.
Or that. We gonna use some rubber bands for our buns because why not?
Yeah.
And then I show edge control this month. We your edge control. You gotta need edge control. I use this just to do the curls on ends. Some oils.
Brushes.
Yeah, brushes. Don't mind the air in it. And then the rubber bands are the elastics and stuff that you'll use.
The combs.
In your head.
On the spray bottle.
And the spray bottle. And if you like me, some ballies. Yeah, I showed them that. I like ballies on my hair. But let's get into it. So we start off with this side first. So yeah. Because I gotta comb mine out too. Because I'm gonna add some of this. Honey. Honey.
I'm gonna start putting my hair out.
I take my hair out at night.
Yeah, take it out and put it in like twisties or something.
Yeah.
So I gotta fix
She just parted her hair, but she's still deciding which one she want to do. Like the swoop. Are you doing the swoop?
I don't know.
She don't know which one she about to do, but I'm gonna put Eco Gel in my hair.
Well, I feel like I should do this, but then it's
like all over my hair. To remind y'all, we can't see back there, so it's like
don't come first when we show you the little.
Yeah, we just show y'all how we do it. Y'all can do it like us.
Y'all can do it like y'all want to do it. It's okay. Everybody different.
Exactly. But then what you want to do is you want to brush your hair. And I'm just brushing the gel through. But,
I usually be combing my gel through.
yeah, I'm going to comb it through too, but I'm just brushing it in right now. But remind you, I just comb my hair out too, so it's kind of easier to like manage. So what you want to do?
I'm gonna do the regular one, so it could be like people do a different variety.
me once I do this side. But basically, the same thing I did to this side, I'm gonna do to this side because it's kind of dry. So I'm gonna wet it with some water. Put this in it, comb it out, gel it up, and do the same thing. Then I'm gonna get back to y'all. What you about to do?
I'm gonna put this on here so I can do this side because this side will go inside my other ponytail.
Yeah, since hers is like side and mine's like over here, she gonna put that up. I don't know, you gonna redo your bun or no?
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
To show them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show y'all like
She's
around
so
you. Don't
nervous.
mind my little, you know. That's how mine look. How yours? Show them.
Turn up. 360.
Yep. Boom, 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 boom.
Almost fell.
So, if you enjoyed this video of us doing our hair, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. Follow us on social media at Tianakpul.
At FAYMOUS_SHAE Shay.
Period. And make sure you guys let us know what other hairstyles you would like us to do, because we would do them. But I think we do have another video coming tomorrow or the next day of a high bun tutorial or whatever, how we do it. And yeah,
That's about it.
thank you guys for watching. Bye.